Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's D here. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and put on notification bell to let you know when I post a new video. Let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my 5 best tips for growing your natural hair, and I'm also going to be taking out my twists and styling with you guys today on the video. So let's get right into the video. So this is a close-up of what my twists look like right now. So I've already sectioned my hair into my left side and my right side. So I'm going to start with the left side. I'm going to use my spray bottle with oil and water inside, and I'm just going to shake it a bit and just spray it lightly because I don't want to get the hair wet, but just a bit moist, that's all. Especially on my ends. I'm just going to massage that in a bit. Yeah guys, I'm back. So guys, here's my hair. I'm going to shake it a bit and see how I can style it. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just put a bobby pin here and I just fluffed my hair a bit that way, like so. And yeah, so guys, I wasn't really going for a very defined twist style because I didn't really plan that. I just washed my hair and I just twisted it to get it out of the way. So I'm gonna do another video though later about how to get a defined and amazing twist out. I mean, I think the most problem was that I did it in really small twists. So next time I should probably do it in like really big twists, and I think that will really change the outcome. But for now, I think I like this. It looks really like an afro and just, you know, still has some sort of definition in some of them, and it looks really good. A bit distracted about giving you guys my 5 tips for growing your hair. First tip I'm going to give you guys is to wash your hair. Guys, wash your hair regularly. Like every 2 to 3 weeks is perfect. When you wash your hair that often, your scalp is going to be clean and it's going to take care of every product buildup that you have, which will keep your scalp clean and healthy, and it's going to be able to accept the products that you're putting on it so that it will enable growth. So guys, wash your hair regularly. Even if you're going to be putting on like a protective style for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, wash your hair immediately after. And you could wash your hair in twists or you could just wash it like that, but for me with my hair, I feel like it works better from when I wash my hair in twists. And you don't always have to wash your hair. You could also co-wash depending on how long you've gone without washing your hair or how much product or the kind of product that you put in your hair. Like for me, if I put gels in my hair, I know that I'm definitely going to have to use shampoo to wash. But if I just put like light products, and last time when I washed my hair I probably clarified it, and I feel like it might be too much stress to do the same thing when my hair is not really that dirty. I just use CoWash to wash my hair. So my favorite CoWash to use is As I Am CoWash, and I love the smell, the texture. I'm going to show you guys. Co-washing to me is amazing. I used to do it a lot, but these days I put gels in my hair and stuff, so I always end up washing my hair. But if you're not going to put gels in your hair and products that you think are not that thick or are going to leave a lot of build-up, then co-washing is the way to go. Let's say in a month now, the first 3 weeks you wash with a shampoo, the next 2 weeks probably you co-wash, and the next 3 weeks after that you could shampoo again. So that's just basically a good timeline for how you could go about that. So the second tip I'm going to give you guys, tip number two is trimming. Guys, trim your hair. It's so important. It makes sure that you have like a really healthy, even body of hair, because like for me, after I washed my hair I trimmed it before I twisted it, so my ends are pretty full. But if your ends are like really thin and then you have dead ends, guys, trim your hair. You shouldn't really like set a time frame like once a month, every month to trim your hair. I feel like the best way to know when to trim your hair is when you look at your hair and you see those strands really dead and you see like a whole lot of hair on top and then there's like really thin ones at the end, then you have dead ends and you need to trim them. And when you do, you could just use like your scissors and just comb it out really well, and then just just trim those ends. And I feel like that's really it for trimming your hair. And if you don't trust yourself to trim your hair, you go to your favorite hair salon or someone you trust with your hair to trim it for you. But trimming your hair is so important because it helps you get rid of those dead ends. And if you keep those dead ends, another thing is that you could have single strand knots and a lot of tangles at the ends of your hair because you have like dead strands there. So it's really important to keep the ends of your hair healthy. So guys, trimming your hair is my number 2 most important tip. Tip number 3 is don't over manipulate your hair. Guys, you need to keep your hair in a style as long as possible. The only time you should really have your hair out is when maybe you want to wash it, and after washing you should put it right back into a protective style under a wig or something. But guys, don't over manipulate your hair. Today you're doing twist, tomorrow you're braiding, next tomorrow you're taking out the braids, you're doing something else. Take it easy with your hair. Your hair needs a period to rest. So when you're over manipulating your hair, you will definitely be stopping the growth of your hair. Your hair needs time to rest and grow, not to just be jumping from one style to the other. So guys, don't over manipulate your hair. Like me now, after I've loosened this twist, my hair is like this. I'm probably going to put it back in a protective style as soon as possible, probably cornrows or wear wigs or something. But I'm not going to leave my hair like this for a long period of time because I don't want to over manipulate it. Over manipulation is a no-no. My 4th tip is moisturize your hair. Your hair needs moisture. Okay, so guys, for me now, I have low porosity hair, and we all know that that's the kind of hair that doesn't hold a lot of moisture. It tends to be dry a lot. So for someone like me now, I need to focus on moisture a lot in my routine. I always love to moisturize my hair. Like if I have my hair in twists or in cornrows, I always have my spray bottle and oil to spray during the week, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week. That's how I go about moisturizing my hair when it's in a style. And when it's just out, let's say I just washed it, I always moisturize it with my spray bottle and oil first. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I follow up with my grease, so my twisting butter, and that just seals everything. And then I go over it again with a little bit of oil. But that's how I moisturize my hair because I know that moisture is so important, and I always end up with juicy, amazing looking twists. Let's moisturize our hair. You can use whatever routine works for you, but just try to find a way to get the best products that help your hair maintain moisture. Like for me now, the best product I've seen so far is the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Leave-In Conditioner. That conditioner is amazing. Shout out to Zara though for helping me discover that product. So I was watching her channel and I saw her talk about it. I was like, wow, I have to try that leave-in conditioner, and it was amazing. And I found another one that does something similar, which is the Kinky Curly Leave-In Conditioner. That conditioner is also amazing. Every time I use it, my hair feels so soft like clouds, and it retains that moisture for days, and it's always so amazing. Like guys, you have to try those products out. I hope you guys try them out, and if you try them out, please let me know how your experience was. But for me, I feel like those are amazing products for low porosity hair that help you to maintain moisture. So guys, please check them out. Number 5, my last and final tip for you guys to grow your hair to be probably longer than mine. Definitely longer than mine. The number 5 tip I'm going to give you guys is please focus on your hair treatments. Deep conditioning, hair masks are so important. Now there are different kinds of hair masks and deep conditioners, and also hair treatments that you could do. In the salon you could have your protein treatments or your hot oil treatment. You can also do them at home as well. But for the hair mask, you could have the clay mask, avocado, but please make sure you're doing like a hair mask every month or every 2 months, depending on what mask you're doing. But for me, I do my mask like every 2 to 3 months basically. And my favorite mask right now is the African Pride Moroccan clay and shea butter mask. That mask is amazing because I find that I want a mask that moisturizes my hair rather than the other ones that I found, the apple cider vinegar. I find that the Moroccan clay and shea butter mask by African Pride, I just put it on my hair and then I put on my steam cap for like 30 minutes to an hour. Sometimes I take it really long, and then when I take it off, my hair is defined, it's so soft, and it is the best. So I try to do that like every 2 to 3 months, but it's always important to do a treatment that you feel your hair needs, like, because the different treatments have different functions. So if you guys want me to do a video about the different treatments and what they do for your hair, you guys let me know in the comments below. And I hope I'm not boring you guys with so far in the video. I hope you guys are enjoying the tips I'm giving, and if you've also used any of these tips and you've had positive experiences, please let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. And like any other tips that you guys have for me for growing my hair, because I'm all about growing my hair, you guys please let me know in the comments. These 5 tips for me are the top tips for growing your hair. There are other tips, but these are the top tips for growing your hair and tips that I have personally used to grow my hair up to this level. And if you guys love this, my style that I did after taking out my twists, please let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. I like to know. And if there are other ways you guys like me to style my hair, please let me know in the comments as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. Please make sure you share the video with your family and friends. Catch you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.